Routine day at work, until this happens. A runaway truck barrels in, straight toward a construction worker. Smashes right through that red work truck, total destruction. Let's see that up close and in slow motion. That was way too close. One more step and it could have been a disaster. This is proof that on the road, anything can happen in an instant. Keep your eyes open, get home safe. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, click like and comment to get more epic crashes.